Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make a super easy and delicious arroz con leche de chocolate. In case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe we're going to need 1 cup of white rice, milk, 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 2 cinnamon sticks, sugar, and 5 tablespoons of Mexican chocolate powder. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so we're going to begin by making our chocolate milk. So in our blender we're going to blend 1 cup of milk, our evaporated milk, sweetened condensed milk. Now it depends on how sweet you want your arroz con leche, then it depends on how much sweetened condensed milk you want to add. I like it sweet, so I'm going to add the whole can. Okay. And our chocolate powder. So now we're just going to blend it until everything is nice and combined. Alright, so once we have our chocolate milk, now we are ready to make our delicious arroz con leche. Okay guys, so now we're going to grab our saucepan. We're going to add our rice, and I rinsed it. And to that we're going to add 2 cups of water, a pinch of salt, the 2 cinnamon sticks, just break them in half, and 1/4 cup of sugar. Okay, so just mix it, and we're going to wait for this to come to a simmer. Alrighty, so once it comes to a simmer, we're going to move it around. And now we're just going to reduce the heat to low setting. We're going to cover it and let that cook for about 10 to 12 minutes, and make sure that you're moving it around every 5 minutes. Alright guys, so after 12 minutes, this is what our rice should look like. So as you can see, the water has been absorbed. So now we're going to add our chocolate milk. Okay, and I'm also going to add another 1/2 cup of milk. But of course, if you want your arroz con leche to be more runny, then you can add more milk. But for me, this is enough. So now we're just going to mix it. We're going to turn it up a little, and we're going to wait for this to come to another simmer. And I almost forgot, but we're also going to add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, so now we're just going to wait. All right, so after 8 minutes, our rice is going to begin to simmer. So at this point, we're just going to mix it, and we're going to allow it to cook for another 10 minutes or until our rice is nice and soft. So just make sure that you're mixing it constantly. All right guys, so it's been about 8 minutes, and at this point, our rice is fully cooked. So just make sure that you check it. It's super soft. So now at this point, it's done. So if you want it to be more like a pudding consistency, then just allow it to cool down completely. But for me, I like it warm, so I am ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the fun part, serving. So I'm just going to grab my cup. And of course, like I said, if this is too thick for you, just add milk. Now we're ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I am so ready. I love arroz con leche. And you know, of course, hot chocolate, and then this is just the best of both worlds. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. You can have it for breakfast, you know, snack, late night snack. It's just the best for those cold nights, days, you name it. Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, it's super delicious. And for me, it's perfect. It's sweet, but it's not too sweet. It's just the best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make a super easy and delicious arroz con leche de chocolate. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.